Today I want to show you a traditional Mongolian snack called Aaruul. It's made from fermented milk, shaped and dried in the sun. It comes in many shapes and textures. Some pieces are rock hard, some are softer. If it's natural, it tastes sour. If sugar is added, it becomes sweet. Mongolians grow up eating this from childhood. People say that's why they have really strong teeth and probably strong bones too. In some Turkic countries, there's similar snack called kurt or kurut, but that one is usually salty.